From the moment you were born, you were fed a very specific lie. You were told that effort equals reward, that working harder guarantees success. But the math is broken. Look around. The hardest workers are rarely the wealthiest. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed. You've been playing a game where you don't even know the actual rules. There is a hidden law that governs money, power, and human behavior. It is the rule of extreme asymmetry. Society requires millions of people to believe in the 1-to-1 ratio of effort. 1 hour of work, 1 hour of pay. It keeps the machine running. But the people at the top of the pyramid? They abandoned that equation years ago. They understand that a tiny fraction of inputs creates almost all the outputs. If you feel like you are running in place, it's not because you are lazy. It's because you are applying friction in the wrong direction. Subscribe if you want to understand more hidden patterns like this. Because once you understand how this hidden rule actually works, you will realize how much time you've been wasting. Let's uncover the origin of the imbalance. In 1897, an Italian economist named Vilfredo Pareto made a bizarre observation. While walking through his garden, he noticed something strange about his crops. Only 20% of the pea pods were producing 80% of the peas. Intrigued, Pareto applied this observation to the wealth of his nation. He found that 80% of the land was owned by 20% of the population. This wasn't just a coincidence. It was a mathematical law of nature. This invisible scale governs everything around you. It governs economics, computing, sports, and human behavior. 20% of drivers cause 80% of the traffic accidents. You spend 80% of your time talking to 20% of your contacts. You wear 20% of your clothes 80% of the time. Tension. The universe is inherently unbalanced, yet we are taught to treat everything equally. We are trained to give equal time to every task. We divide our days into neat, perfectly equal blocks of hours. But treating unequal things equally is the fastest way to fail. Whisper. The winners know that most things don't matter. They aggressively ignore the majority of the board. They hunt for the few actions that generate massive, disproportionate returns. This is the difference between working hard and working with leverage. But human psychology actively fights against this realization. Why do so many intelligent people remain trapped in the rat race? Because the human brain is addicted to completion. Checking off a minor task releases a tiny hit of dopamine. It feels like progress. It feels like you are moving forward, but motion does not equal direction. You can spend 10 hours perfectly organizing your inbox, but that labor has zero compounding value for your future. You are efficiently doing things that shouldn't be done at all. This is the ultimate trap of the modern worker. We have confused being busy with being productive. Society rewards the appearance of effort. Your manager praises you for staying late, regardless of what you actually produced. You are conditioned to optimize for exhaustion, not impact. Calm. It is time to audit your behavior. Ask yourself right now, are you active or just reactive? Comment your answer below. Most people spend their entire day playing defense against life, responding to messages, reacting to problems, dealing with noise. They let the 80% of useless tasks consume their energy, and by the end of the day, there is nothing left. Most people never learn these systems, unless they actively study them. The elite have a completely different mental framework. They don't try to climb every rock. They look for the helicopter. They look for the singular point of maximum leverage. Thousands of years ago, Archimedes stated a powerful truth. Give me a lever long enough, and I shall move the world. If you want to move your world, you need a longer lever. The average mind tries to move the boulder by pushing harder. The strategic mind stops pushing, steps back, and builds a tool. This is the exact difference between linear and exponential results. Linear results require your constant physical presence. Exponential results happen while you sleep. Writing a piece of software, creating content, or building a system. You build it once and it serves you infinitely. The effort is disconnected from the reward. That is leverage. You must identify the 20% of your actions driving your true success. Everything else is a distraction. You must ruthlessly cut away the trivial many and obsess over the vital few. Look at the people around you. They are terrified of dropping the trivial tasks. They think that if they stop being busy, they lose their value. But true power requires space. It requires the time to think, analyze, and strike precisely. You cannot be a sniper if you are constantly running with the infantry. Stop spraying your energy everywhere. Start aiming. But how do you actually apply this tomorrow? You must shift from being a worker to being an architect. Tomorrow morning, before you check a single message, write down the single most impactful thing you could do today. The one action that makes all other tasks easier or irrelevant. This is your lead domino. Block out 2 hours of pure, unbroken focus to attack it. Protect this time violently. The world will try to steal your attention with false emergencies. Let the small fires burn. You are building an empire, not sweeping the floor. Stop treating a $5 task with $50 energy. What useless task are you going to eliminate tomorrow? Tell me in the comments. Delegation and deletion are your greatest weapons. Perfection is not when there is nothing left to add. It is when there is nothing left to take away. Calm. Most people spend their lives reacting to the system. They run on the treadmill, hoping that one day it will take them somewhere new. But a few learn to understand the machine. They stop fighting the physics of reality. They embrace the asymmetry. They realize that extreme success isn't about bleeding more than the next guy. It's about turning the right key in the right door. And the moment you see the pattern, you can never unsee it. The world becomes a board that you can finally play. If you want to understand the hidden rules that shape money, power, and decision-making, subscribe to Hidden Secrets Archive. Every day we break down hidden patterns behind wealth and human psychology. This channel is built for people who want to think differently and see the invisible systems most people miss.